100% sure this bolt came out of that hole.
You gotta get in the game.
Well, okay.
Let me in, goats.
100%.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me in the game.
Hell yeah.
There's a fire.
I gotta get in the game.
And the other one's still screwed in up there, right?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Ain't the hole.
Son of a bitch. Alright, so.
Oh, hello.
Funny.
Oh, she's a squirter, boy. She's a squirter.
Here's the bowl.
What's up, boys? Mobbin Monday. Here we are again. Back at it in the garage. It's a beautiful fall day in mid-Missouri, boys.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 51 degrees, raining.
No riding.
No riding. No riding. No riding. But we're going to have a good time in the garage today, boys. We're at it with Jaden's bike today. What we got going on here is we're going to install some Sissy bars, I believe.
Yep, got
So
the
you got-
sitting over here.
Got the Sissy bars sitting over here.
We already got the back set bolts on. You're gonna have to get the saddlebags off, and we just gotta get these babies on. And then this should just be able to clip right on, hopefully.
Hopefully. Yeah, everything always goes real smooth, right, boys? We'll just roll right through. It'll probably take a few minutes, right?
That's what we always think.
That's what we always think. We will see. We will see. But no, looks like here's how we would like to set it up, boys. We like to get all the tools we need laid out, everything ready, so we don't got to be looking for stuff while we're working. We already looked over the instructions, like he said. He's already got it prepped, got the front bolts on there. So we're going to do a little bit of work on that. And then also, we threw this fairing on to go to
Sturgis.
Sturgis.
It worked really good.
It worked really good. It did its job. Jaden loves the look of his bike naked without it. So we're going to get that back off, get it all dialed in. Got a lot of work to do. Riding season's about over here, boys. It's October.
It's getting colder than it usually does.
Getting colder a little faster this year than last year, but that's all right. But we got fall rolling in, so we got a lot of plans for the bikes this winter. We're going to start off really with just Jaden's bike today. We're going to stick to that today. We'll get to what I'm going to do with my bike a little later. But what do you got plans for the bike anyways, Jaden?
Obviously, we're doing the Sissy bar and then taking the fairing off. And we're probably going to basically get everything off here to get ready for possibly some new front suspension.
Ooh. I already know, but tell the folks what you're planning on going with.
We're gonna the whole plan for the bike eventually is gonna be black and gold.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go gold fork, new gold tubes. We're gonna get some new heavy duty progressive springs. I got them over here on the iPad.
Hell yeah. I think you're gonna go 2 overs, aren't you?
Yeah, 2 of them.
Hell yeah, 2 overs.
Add a little height.
Let's
to
check it out.
That's basically what we're looking at right there.
Hell yeah. We're gonna go with TC Bros 4 tube kit for Harley Davidson, 49 millimeter.
Comes with the fork seals and everything to rebuild it. So really all you gotta do is just order the insides.
And we're going to be try to be just totally transparent with our builds here at Mobbin Supply in the Mobbin garage. That's what it runs for the 2 over tubes. Comes with the spacers. We're trying to get the most bang for our buck here. We think the progressive shocks are going to be a lot better than the stock, probably worn out ones on there already. So
been there for 20 plus years.
So we can always go more if that's not good enough. We'll go more. You know what I mean? But we're going to start off to show you guys. This is about the I'd say the most cost efficient way to get some 2 overs, get some strong springs in the front for a little aggressive riding. So that's the goals for the bike.
It might be a little less if you're not going gold. So
Oh
if you're
yeah,
going chrome,
definitely.
You can save about $150. So
Yeah.
there's that.
Yeah. Hell yeah, boys. So we're going to get set up here, and then we're going to go ahead and get to work on starting taking everything off this bike and getting the Sissy bars put on it.
Yep. All starts with the seat bolt, boys.
All starts with the seat bolt.
Got
Here
the
we
little
go.
flat head. You can spin this baby with a quarter on the road if you need to.
Oh yeah. We know all about that. We know all about spinning some bolts on the road if we need to.
Set the seat to the side right there. Sound bands. Annoying. little Velcro straps, but they keep them tight, keep them right.
You know me, boys. I can't just stand around and hold no camera. You gotta get in the game. Let me in, coach. Let me in. Let me in the game. I gotta get in the game. Too good. Is the shot good, boys? What do you think? Is the shot good? So hard to tell sometimes. Not getting it. Not usually.
This pads are almost easier, but you gotta cut them off. A little more cost effective with the reusable shrimp.
He runs just a little club style bags.
For now.
They're good. Can get the job done.
Hey, they got me through Sturgis.
Hell yeah. Keep the essentials in there, you know what I'm saying? Little jump box, zip ties, a little tool roll, a little rain gear. Be straight. People.
All the tools over here. You fish want to see?
I think the next step is going to be, we got to get these bolts off right here.
Yeah.
Got to get these bolts off. I already switched these out previously.
Yep, they
Got
weren't too hard. There was no bolt that you had to hold on the inside, unlike back here. Little late Dyna, little just bolt holding on the fender in the back. Got her locked in.
Pretty easy deal. Got a 1/2 inch on the inside and a 1/2 inch on the outside too. Pretty easy deal. Yeah.
Now, there's probably going to be some weird spacers in here, something that's going to be annoying, but we'll get her figured out at the end. Yeah, here comes that. That's to hold on the saddle bag. Okay. We're going to pull everything where it's at. Except one of them bolts and Allen. Oh, yeah. That hurts to throw a little more Loctite on there, even though it has some blue Loctite. Maybe one Allen got put away in the tool drawer.
Just gonna put a little Loctite on here, boys. Might be a little low. We got. Whoa, hello.
Funny.
Whoa, she's a squirter, boys. She's a squirter. Woo! Oh, put that one.
Just. And then we'll need whatever thing Allen key fits that. Actually, put it that way, boys. Had it already. Got a little lost. A little lost in sauce. Still got her belt on, straightened on, I think.
Gonna turn it 3/4 turn in the back. And we'll start going around.
Well, it's not even going all the way to the back yet, so.
Yeah.
Go through there at all.
Yeah, what are you holding on back there?
The bolt. That's screwed in there. But it's tight, so we're probably going to go through that hole.
Are we sure that it's just not tight on the back? Should we just take that off and see what's on it? I don't think it's all going to fall apart. Let's hold on to that.
I mean, it's never gonna. Well, oh wait, can we use the stock? Where's the stock screw at? Oh yeah, we can't use the stock screw. It's not long enough.
No, like what we need is a nut, just like this.
So
But
it won't
just
even
to
go
fit
through
it.
there.
Huh?
It's not even going through there though. Yeah. It's not. I mean, there is a
Could
hole.
it fit through here?
Mm.
Well, that doesn't make sense.
I don't know. I don't know if we can't. I don't know if we can just put something there instead.
Blows my mind that it fit in here though. We didn't have to change nothing, right?
Yeah, no.
Was it this hard?
No. Really just getting the washers lined up was the hard part. This looks straight as they're going in.
I just don't understand. Why did anything ever go in here is what I don't understand. It's like, how do you put it back together? Yeah, this one needs to go back together.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, I'm confused. And you're 100% for sure this bolt came out of that hole.
I mean, there's no other bolt.
This ain't the bolt. That ain't the bolt. Here's the bolt.
Oh, where's that hole? What's that hole from?
I have no idea. It's just laying out there.
Okay.
Well, okay, so hell yeah.
There's fire.
Oh my goodness. Son of a bitch. Alright, so this is the stock bolt. We had the wrong stock bolt. I don't even know what the F this is. Just some random bolt laying around. We thought we had our shit together, boys. We ain't got our shit together. We gotta get it together, boys. We gotta get it together. Alright, so this is the bolt. This is the right size. And there's no way that's the same size as that. Okay, so I think it's an easy fix, boys.
Not over here.